Well, hello everyone, it's Chandler South, broker, owner of Florida Lifetime Realty based in sunny Sarasota, Florida. Welcome to your brand new golf home in Lakewood Ranch, Florida. This is the Maria model, 3-bedroom, 3-bath, about 2,300 square feet under air, 2-car garage. Let's go inside and take a look. Single entry front door. Opening up. Oh wow. So first thing I noticed walking in is beautiful tile throughout. Let's walk towards the back. Beautiful chef kitchen. This is a gas community, so you do have a nice gas cooktop, and you do have a wall oven and microwave right over here. Turning back around, another view of the island. Get a nice large kitchen. Going over to the dining space. Right off dining, you do have a beautiful living room. Hurricane sliders going out to your back lanai with a pool. Beautiful pool, spa, and of course a view of the golf course and a pond. Turning back around, another view of your back lanai area. This is fully screened in, and this is covered over here as well. Walking back in, another view of the main living space, and of course you do have your dining and of course your kitchen. Towards the back, you do have your nice owner bedroom, king size bed for size reference. And of course you do have your sliding glass doors going out to the pool area. Turning back around, let's go over to the bathroom. So here is your bathroom, double vanities over here, and of course a walk-in tiled shower. Turning back around, here's closet number 1. And then across you do have another closet. Leaving the owner bedroom, let's go find some guest bedrooms. Another view of the main living space. Walking back towards the front. So over here you do have your first guest bedroom. This one does have an ensuite bathroom. So there's the bedroom itself. And then here is the bath. Walk-in tiled shower, single vanity. Right off of this bedroom there is a laundry space and then again access to the 2-car garage. Office and or den. This also could be turned into another bedroom. And we have another bedroom towards the front. Right next to this bedroom, you do have a nice full ensuite bath, shower tub combo, single vanity. And again, we're going to end our tour near the pool. If you need any more details on this model, give me a call anytime, 941-303-9575. We are located in Lakewood Ranch right now, and this is going to be a golf and pool home. Let's go inside and take a look.